Hello everybody, today we make spaghetti with the Seppie Fra Diavolo. For the ingredient we got seppie, oil baby hot pepper, onion, garlic, parsley, spaghetti, homemade my tomato sauce, and we need white wine. Okay, first thing we gotta start to chop the garlic, the onion, and the pepper. And let's start with the garlic. We make a little flat the garlic, it gets more easy to chop. Okay, now we chop, you don't gotta be really thin this. Okay, and this is done. Okay, now we chop the onion. This is enough for the onion too. It's good. Then we put in this dish over here. Now we do my oil baby. This is really hot. It's why the sauce, the marinara sauce, we call Fra Diavolo. E no diavolo, red diavolo, but this is green, but it come red, so you little steak. And let's chop this pepper. But it's really hot. Oh, already got on my nose. Now we start with the seppia, the cora. Now this in Italy we call seppia, but in English, I don't know how to say good, it's a cuttlefish fish. Okay, now what I do, I start the cora the seppia, and we do one, okay, and we can slice like this. So you want, you can make a more big piece. Now this is the tentacle. And we call this, it's a little thin and more small. Okay, this is cook more fast. Okay, look how beautiful, nice, clean, it's so beautiful. Look like an alien. E.T. fallen home. Okay, now in this part I want to make the marinara sauce. And we put the gas on, and we put oil. Olive oil. Olio di oliva. And I got the garlic over here. And I want to leave a little garlic for the seppia after over here. Only a little bit for the seppia. And we put the onion. Make sure to not burn the garlic and the onion, because the marinara sauce, it gotta be not burned inside. Now we got this oil baby hot pepper, okay? So you don't like to spice, you can use a crushed hot pepper or use only black pepper. Look at that. Now, I want to tell everybody, this is my homemade tomato sauce. But so you know got, you can buy plum tomato, cherry tomato, it's good. But I use every year, I make 50 to 60 jars every year with the plum tomato. Okay, now this is done, and let's pour the sauce. I was using 3/4 jar sauce. This is gotta be really good Fra Diavolo, especially with the hot pepper. When you eat this, maybe you start the jambura like this. Got the pepper in big jamba, you. I turn this, but I got the seppia a little bit more, and let's put a little bit more extra sauce, okay? Okay, now it's good. This you gotta be with the pasta. We gotta cook a spaghetti, and we need the sauce. Okay, now we gotta saute the seppia. And I put the gas on, and pour oil on this pot. Okay, now we put the garlic. Not too much. I got over here. Don't give give a good taste for the seppia. And now the seppia. This is cooked for 8 minutes. And now I pour the wine. We leave evaporated the wine. I like to put a little parsley before I put the sauce. It gives a look beautiful. Okay. All right. Now, this is the marinara sauce. I turn the gas off on the marinara. And let's put the sauce. Oh, look how beautiful. And now, we give a nice turn. Everything. Okay, now this you gotta cook for 10 more minutes. At the same time now, I got the water boil over there and we cook the pasta. Okay, now the water boil for the spaghetti and let's pour salt. That's all. And I gotta put a little salt on my Seppie Fra Diavolo. Okay, now the spaghetti. Make sure that do like that, do like this. Make sure that the spaghetti go in the water. Now on the side, I want to do special or something. Everybody like this. And I want to do my oil baby. And my oil baby, it's right over here. See this? Now I gotta fry this. And after when I fry, I gotta take it out, put on a paper towel, to dry really good with oil, and put a lot of salt. And I want to show everybody the way I'm doing. Now the oil, when it's hot, I do like this. You see the pepper bubble? Now what you gotta do, make sure when it bubble like this, turn the gas off. And put the pepper inside. And you need the spoon steel. And you turn a little bit like this. After you take the dish, and take it out of the pepper right away. Drain a little bit of the oil. Make sure the cover, okay, it smells so strong. And you cover. Put it right over here. I use a sea salt for the pepper. This is the way I make my oil baby. Okay, now let's try the spaghetti. The spaghetti it's almost done. Okay, now we take the pasta out. It gets al dente, molto al dente. I'll leave it cook it together with the seppia. And we take out the pasta. Oh, look how nice the spaghetti. Okay, now we got over here and we'll give a good mix. The spaghetti and the seppia. Now I'll finish a cook over here for maybe 1 minute and give a good taste for the pasta. Okay, this spaghetti Fra Diavolo is done. We need a little parsley. Look how beautiful it looks, especially this parsley. It's from my garden. Okay, now I want to taste the pasta. We need a little seppia, a little sauce. Good. And I need a little wine for me. I need my 7 stelle, 7 star. Okay. It's delicious. This it's a really good taste, like the polpo, octopus, and the calamari. And let's taste this, my oil baby. It's really spicy. The wine washed off my oil, baby. Chin chin, salute everybody, and thank you so much for this recipe. I hope somebody make it and let me know. It come out delicious. Chin chin, salute. Oh yeah, baby.